Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another 4 fall outfits. So y'all know the drill. I like to kind of show you outfits I've already worn, build them with you, tell you about what's going on in this brain, how I'm building the outfit, slash outfits that I can't wait to wear that have just been living rent free in my head, all of the things. So think of it kind of as an outfits of the week video, but I'm excited. I've got some really good outfits, but before we jump in, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is PD Paola. You guys know I have fallen in love with their jewelry. They have such unique pieces that are really fun, luxury pieces for sure, with their textures, designs, colors. They're just like unlike any other jewelry brand that I've ever really seen, and they just had their newest launch, which is from their Icons Design collection, which is one of their star collections from the brand in total, but it is the Tiger Eye stone, and this is the most perfect color for fall. I love the browns. It's very rich, but has like this sort of undertone of like a light brown as well. And I want to show you guys how unique the design is and how you can interchange it from necklace to earrings and completely change the look and make it customizable to whatever you're feeling for that day. So I have the Tiger Eye large Jupiter single hoop. I have the Tiger Eye single hoop, and then I have the Pave drop pendant. I have the Tiger Eye large pendant, and then I have the Essential chain necklace. So you can kind of interchange them from your earrings. Think of these as like sisters, not twins. I think it's really fun to kind of have unique pieces that look similar, but they just kind of catch the eye in a different way. One is long, one is short, but you can always mix it up and add a little sparkle with the pave, which I think is really quite cool. I love that you can use them as earrings, but also as necklaces. And you can add as many and different ones that you want. They've got so many different colors, and I actually have pendants from previous collections that I've shopped from there, and I think it would be really cool to kind of mix and match. But I am more of an earring girl for sure, but I'm trying to get more into necklaces. I never thought I would be, but these, there's something about it that I think is so pretty. So I want to share with you kind of how you can interchange them. You just unhook the earring and slide whatever pendant you want, either to be in the front or the back. I typically like the small in the front to just kind of show a little bit more dimension, but it's completely up to you. You obviously can buy mix and match, or you can buy 2 of the large drop pendants or the traditional single hoop pendants as well, but just really fun to kind of play up the different design. And I think that's what makes PD Paola so unique and different, is how they really think through their pieces, and you can customize it. So even if you own the same pieces, it can look completely different depending on how you style it. If you've never checked them out, I really think you will love the Tiger Eye stone if you're definitely getting into more fall jewelry. I know I am. I will have all the details in the description box down below, and I will continue to style them throughout the 4 outfits that I have today. So big shout out to PD Paola again for partnering with me in today's video. All of the details will be in the description box down below, and let's get into look number 1. Okay, so for look number 1, this is one that I have yet to wear, but I've been envisioning in my brain. So let's put it together, shall we? Let's start with my newest jeans. These are from Quince. These are just like a black slim straight jean. Perfect for boots, which is what I'm gonna do. These are a stretchy jean as well. If you haven't seen my recent Quince video, I'll throw it up in the cards. And then I'm going to throw on my sort of like tunic-y denim shirt from H&M that I've been wearing on repeat. So let's pop that on. I think it's gonna look great with this dark denim. And with the deep V, you can really see the necklaces, which are really cute. I had stitched this in the past, and I keep forgetting to unstitch it, but I do really love this tunic top. I don't know if it's still available, but it's so good. Let's put on my boots. These are my favorite black boots, like at the moment. These are also from Quince. Are we surprised? No. Oh gosh, but these jeans will be perfect, I'm envisioning, with these boots, because they're more like skinny on top, but they still like come together at the ankle, so you're not having like a bunch of gathering material in the boot. Oh, so freaking cute. Okay, I'm wanting to tuck because I'm wanting to do a belt. So this has kind of slits on the side, so I'm just gonna tuck in the front, and I think the back will lay kind of flat-ish. Cute. OMG, this is coming together. It's like a denim on denim. A fun, unique way. Oh, love. Okay, let's put on this belt. Side belts have been like my obsession this fall. I think I need to lift you guys up. this on. These are more of a mid-rise belt or jean, but this belt still works. 'Cause sometimes, you know, belts are like better high-rise than low-rise. Anyway, are we kidding? This is so good. Hold on, I need a black clutch. Take me out to a Western thing. Not even, doesn't need to even be Western. What do I have in here? Oh, lip balm. Cute. Oh, and a hair tie. I need to remember that. Okay. Adorable. This is so good. This is so chic. This is very Dallas. I'm not even gonna hold you. This is adorable. I love. If you can still get this tunic, you need it. If not, hopefully I can find something similar. It's so good. This would also look great with a slick back as well to really highlight the earrings. But I love this. This turned out exactly how I was envisioning. It's super, super chic. Love, love, love. Okay, this was look number 1. Let's move on to look number 2. I actually wore look number 2. We had a little birthday party for some neighborhood friends, and I wore this over there, just casual but really cute and put together. So let's put it on, and I will show you how I built it. Okay, so the jeans that I've been wearing on repeat now that I can wear jeans, now that it's not a million degrees, are my Goldie pinch waist 90s. They have just been on repeat. They're so good. So let's pop these guys on. They're just a good, like, darker wash jean. These just seem to fit, like, really soft and just buttery good. They're good sit stand jeans, okay? And if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. My Levi's are more good stand jeans. These suck you in here, but they don't like suffocate you. I don't know, you know what I mean. Okay, for shoes, I wore my little Grinchy flats for like a fun texture. We did walk, but it's not like that far. So I knew I wanted something flat. And I like also the way these jeans hit at the bottom. They're like flat but not too flat, but also they're a no shoe household, so I didn't wear these inside, but they looked cute without. Anyways, okay, I just made sure my toes were painted. Anyway, I wore my little yak sweater, which right now it's not on Quince's website, but if you're not, when it comes back in stock, I will let you know, but it's so good. If not, if you want something very similar to this, Saison makes something insanely similar. What is in my pocket? Oh, my Aritzia gift card. I did wear my hair in a slick back because my hair was filthy. So I will throw it up in a little bit, but I just buttoned this all the way up and tucked it in and made this like the focal. I did like a pretty like lined lip, pretty bold-ish, bold for me lip. Where's that pony that I just had? Ugh. So I did like a really tight slick back, so just imagine that. Also did not wear a necklace, but this necklace would be really cute with it. I love a Cardi sweater like this tucked into jeans. I think it's just very cute. I pulled up my sleeves and this was it. Very basic, very simple, but like polished and put together and very fall and cute. And for a bag, I just wore this. So I went with very fall colors, like the maroon, the green, just very fall, sort of earthy, deep tone colors. But I love this. I feel like it's a very good fitting outfit without being like too much. And you can still smell my Dossier fragrance on it, of course, because it's so good. But yeah, this was what I wore the other night to a little birthday dinner situation at some friend's house. We did karaoke. It was kind of fun. Well, I did not sing. Scott did though. Anyway, yeah, this was the look. So let's move on to look number 3 now. This is an outfit that I tried on when I was doing my Quince video the other day, and I never took it off. It was so good. I fell in love with it. So let's put it together. So I wore my dark, like rinse Uniqlo jeans. So let's pop, oh, man, let's pop those on. Okay. And then I had a little white tee on, my Uniqlo tee. So let's pair these. These are like the most perfect fitting, comfy jeans. These are like the sweatpants of jeans. I literally wore these to do like other things, which is rare. Normally I'm always out of jeans in my house, but these jeans, so good. I feel like my wardrobe consists of Uniqlo and Quince. Butter necklace too, because it'll be shown. Now, star of the show. was this amazing sweater. It's like quarter zip that I grabbed from Quince. I used to have this, but I lost it. Not this color, and this brown is new. But I am so happy that I have it back because it is so good. I also wore this with slick back because my hair was filthy. And I like popped the collar. It was too good. So like this is the comfiest sweater. And honestly, I didn't leave the house, so I didn't wear shoes, but I guess I could wear just like my boat shoes is what I was thinking. This is like the epitome of comfy, casual, adorable. So yeah, boat shoes would be great. I'm thinking I really want to change my laces. I just need to do it tonight. Oh my gosh, I was with Arlo last night. Obviously, he's my son. He was like, what can we do together? And he's like, how about we draw our favorite fruits? And I was like, I'll do you one better. And I had bought the little like polymer clay kits that everyone's been doing on TikTok, the like little miniature things. And we made the cutest little sculptures. I'll insert a picture. I made a pumpkin, a ghost. He made a house and an Santa wearing octopus. Adorable, so fun, 10 out of 10 recommend. Really cute, really like little fun craft. Oh, I'm obsessed. Anyway, okay, yeah. This was look number 3. What I wore is covered in dog hair because I did in fact sit on the couch and got scout hair all over me, but joys of having a doggy. So cute. You need this sweater. I got this in a large. I think I will be living in this all fall long. I feel like I'm cutting off my head. Anyway, this was the 3rd look. And let's move on to the 4th look. This is an outfit that came to my brain the other night when I was thinking. I thought about these pants, that I have not worn these pants this season. So I was like, I need to pull those out and put an outfit together. So let's see how I do. Let's pop them on. They are like a trouser pull-on pant from Abercrombie in this like taupey brown color. So let's pop those on and build the outfit. I have no idea how this is gonna really come together. I just knew I wanted to wear them, but I didn't know how. So let's do it together. These pants are so good. They're like very weighted like a trouser, but they have the string, which makes them really casual and comfortable. And I like them. You could always tuck the string in if you don't like that, but they're very, very wide legged. So I'm thinking my little like sweater from Uniqlo, my like sweater tee is what I'm kind of thinking. I don't know though, so let's try it. Honestly, it could look good with just this white tee. Honestly, that's what I'm thinking. Because I think I like it a little more like, I kind of really like this. I think I'm going to stick with this actually. And all I was going to do was pop on a green sweater over the shoulder. Yep. Throw on my glasses. Yes. Pop on my little furry flats to bring in the green. And then, hold on, one more green piece because I love my little Songmont tote. She cute. She cute or whatever. What do we think? Can you even see my feet? I have no idea. There's so much stuff at the bottom of the camera that I can never tell, but I love this. It's very cute. Okay, that was look number 4. What do y'all think? What was your favorite outfit? I like how they all came together, but I think the first was just so fun and like different for me. But this is definitely like comfy, cozy. I could throw on sneakers and walk to get Arlo. Ooh, my pants. These pants are a little long, I will say, but they're good. Anyway, yeah, I liked the first outfit the best, I think, but all really, really good. And again, big shout out to PD Paola for partnering with me on today's video to talk to you guys about their newest launch, the Tiger Eye Stone. I think you guys are absolutely gonna love them, and I think it's going to be a really great addition to anybody's fall wardrobe. So I will have all the details for them in the description box down below. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one very, very soon.